against I? If Jah is for me, tell me who can be against I? If God is for me, tell me who can be against I?
What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I know, guys, it's been a hot minute since you've seen this face. I'm not wearing any makeup, just some lip gloss. And yeah, this pimple decided to appear on my face. Like, where did you come from? But anyways, today's video, guys, I'm going to be dyeing my hair. Yes, I know. But before we get into that, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, okay? Hit that thumbs up button if you like my videos. Like I said, I will be dyeing my locks. As you can see, the blue black is basically fading and it looks washed out, like washed out. So I want to do like a brown color, honey brown, I don't know, type of color. I'm done with the black because whenever I use the all black or like blue black, after a while of washing your hair, it turns greenish, whitish. I don't know if you can see, but it looks greenish, bluish, blackish, like gray, I don't know. So I'm switching it up. First I'll be using the Dark and Lovely number 384 in light golden blonde, LT golden blonde. I've used this before when I dyed my hair red. Like I said, there is a little bit of bleach in here. It's not like bleaching your hair completely when you use like the bleaching products itself. Like, it's not like that. There's a little bit of bleach in here, so it does not do any damage. But do know, whenever you dye your hair tends to be very dry, so you have to keep your hair moisturized. But I will have a separate video on how to keep and maintain colored locks. So this one is a light golden blonde. I'm gonna show it again just in case you want to go and look for it. Sometimes they change the girl. There was a different girl on the box before. Oh my god, this is really bothering me. I'm gonna put some garlic on this so it can go away. Like, it's really bothering me. But in the box, you have all of these stuff. Like, you guys know how these work, right? Like, if you want me to like have an in-depth video of how they work, then let me know. But I'm pretty sure everyone knows how these box dyes work. So I'll be back after I've done applying the blonde color. So I'll be back when my entire head is done. So my whole head is completely done. You can see my roots are already changing. So look at my shirt, it's all messed up. This is why I use an old shirt, but you see the green is coming out even more and the blue. So we shall see. We shall see. Put a plastic bag. And now we wait. So I'll be back when I'm ready to put in the honey blonde or golden brown or whatever color that is. I'll be back and show you guys the color. Okay, so I'm back. So there's my roots, okay? My roots, the dye took to my roots more than my locks, which is weird. But there's still some green in there. Look. Bro. I refuse to use like full bleach on my hair. I refuse to do that. So I will stick with what I have. Do you guys see? So it's about to be like a weird color, but it's not black anymore, but it's greenish, blonde, pink, like a whole heap of color. Now I'm gonna go in with this color. Okay, so I'm gonna finish doing this and be right back. So this is 2 days later, guys. Yeah, 2 days. The same day that I washed out the dye, I had something to do after, so I couldn't record. And then the day after, I didn't have the time. So yeah, 2 days later, this is how my hair looks. It looks like brownish, greenish, blackish. I don't know, but it doesn't look bad. I actually like it. I'm feeling it, but I'm still gonna go for the golden brown color. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay blessed and keep safe.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.